NFPA 72 has come out with its 2025 edition. Let's take a few minutes to look at some of those changes, some of those updates, things that have been added to this edition of code as well as updated. So, first thing we're going to dive into is notification of impairment 10.2.1. Owners do now have to be notified of any impairments within 8 hours of finding that impairment. Now, with an impairment, this could be the entire system being impaired or part of the system. However, if there is any impairment to that system, the owner does need to be notified within 8 hours. Any deficiencies on that system have to have notification to the building owner within 24 hours. Chapter 11 was added in 2022 edition of 72, and it is on cybersecurity. In 2025, there was more information added to this to give more elaboration about cybersecurity. Things such as security level based on the level of equipment access, testing and maintenance plans, regular security updates. Much more information now in 2025 for this chapter of cybersecurity. Sprinkler supervision, some things have changed. Table 14.4.3.2 now has been updated to reflect for control valve supervisory devices as well as water flow devices. They are going to be done semi-annually. This is going to be for both the inspection frequency as well as the testing frequency. Other supervisory devices for the sprinkler system will have a semi-annual inspection and an annual test. Smoke detectors that are going to be placed on ceilings that are greater than 40 feet now require performance-based design in order to establish that spacing. Before that 40-foot or under 40-foot high ceilings, 30-foot spacing is going to be utilized. Study done by NFPA Fire Protection Research Foundation has found that greater than 40 feet performance-based design is going to be necessary. Emergency control function interface devices 21.2.4. From what we have seen in the code for a very long time, if we have interface devices, they have to be within 3 feet of whatever it is they are controlling. Now, they have to be within 3 feet if they are not installed in a metal raceway or in an armored cable tray. If they are going to be installed in a metal raceway or armored cable, they can be within 20 feet. These requirements are only going to play in if it is not a Class D circuit for the control circuit. Auxiliary service providers 26.2.11 are now going to be necessity for any kind of performance-based communications. They are there to process signals for performance-based communicators. Pathway to supervising station will still require 90-second supervision. They have to have written notification if there is a change in provider. All ASP facilities shall meet with UL 827's requirements. If you're looking to learn more about code or just learn a little bit more information about fire alarm, please check out our NTC Brown Book. We have it new and updated for 2025. It is fire alarm systems from A to Z with extensive coverage on occupancy requirements.